By the end of this video, you'll gain a deep understanding of how to make the most out of your punching bag workouts. Hey, fitness enthusiasts, are you ready to take your workout to the next level with a punching bag? Today, we're diving into a dynamic routine that will build strength, improve endurance, and sharpen your boxing skills. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this session has something for everyone. First up, let's warm up those muscles with some basic jabs and crosses. Remember, form is key here. Keep your stance stable, rotate your hips, and extend those arms for maximum impact. Next, let's amp up the intensity with some power punches. Hook punches are great for targeting your obliques and building core strength. Watch how I pivot my feet and twist my torso to deliver that knockout punch. Now, let's switch gears with some speed drills. Rapid-fire jabs and uppercuts will elevate your heart rate and enhance your cardiovascular endurance. Keep those punches crisp and controlled for optimal results. Feeling the burn? Great. Let's cool down with some strategic breathing exercises. Focus on inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. This helps regulate your heart rate and promotes faster recovery. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap. We covered basic punches, power punches, speed drills, and essential breathing techniques. Incorporate these into your routine to boost your overall fitness and boxing prowess. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dynamize ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue our video's main topic. Ready to unleash your inner fighter? Drop a comment below with your favorite punching bag exercises. And don't forget to hit that bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. Until next time, keep punching and stay strong. Feel free to adjust as needed for your video production.